babies all around, all over all of this one. This farm has been set up about 6 months ago. Although the setup was done, the babies are all around. You can see them all here. They are already getting big enough. Most of them inside the ground. Inside the ground, we have about nothing less than 15,000 babies right here as at this moment. You can see them all over here. Those are the babies. See them. The mush. They're really picking at a very fast pace. This is a working farm. For those who have demanded the video, you can see the nets all intact. This is a farm that has been properly maintained by the owner in every ramifications. Everything is still intact. The vegetation is doing well. He's cultivating more vegetation, adding more vegetables like we advise, planting more and adding manure, actually taking care of his investments. And in the next 3 months, I think he should cash back and be happy that he actually took this step. Snail farming is a very good investment. This is actually a proof. Please go ahead and show them around. Show them the babies. You can see them all over there. This place is pest free. Those are the breeders. That's one of the breeders right in there. You can see that. That man there is about to lay. They've been laying steadily. This is just good. Look at them. All the babies all around. The sprinklers are working perfect. Everything is okay. He maintains them. He has replaced them, some of them by himself, and everything is okay, perfect. This is Ogumosho Farm. My name is Collins Amadi. For your own snail farm setup, don't fail to contact us on 080 731 22596, or you send me an email on afrocatalyst@gmail.com, and we'll get back to you and then carry it on from there. Don't forget, your farm is your farm. It's your responsibility to take care of your farm. It's your investment. And snail farming, I think, is the hottest kind of farming right now in Nigeria. Thank you very much.